Welcome to the next section of linear equations in two variable is determinant method or Cramer's rule. Last class we have learned to solve the simultaneous equations by elimination method and graphical method. Now next we are moving to the determinant method. Before that, what is determinant? How to find the determinant? Here A, B, C, D is a determinant of four numbers A, B, C and D, and AB and CD are rows and AC and BD are columns. ABCD is a determinant of the determinant and AB and CD are the rows, AC and BD are the columns. The degree of the determinant is 2 because there are the two elements in rows and each rows and two elements in each columns. Here what is the value of the determinant ABCD? That is, you have to cross multiply these sections. Then you will get the determinant of ABCD equal to A into D minus B into C. Therefore, determinant ABCD equals AD minus BC. This is the determinant of ABCD. I am solving one example sum of determinant. Find the value of the determinant A equal to 5, determinant of 5379. That means 5379 is equal to cross multiply 5 into 9 minus 3 into 7. 5 9s are 45 minus 3 7s are 21, 4 and 2. Therefore, determinant of A 5379 equal to 24. To find the simultaneous equations by Cramer's method or determinant method. To use Cramer's method, the equations are written as A1x plus B1y equal to C1 and A2x plus B2y is equal to C2. Here the two variables are A, x and y. To find x is equal to dx upon d and y equal to dy upon d. Then what is d? We want to find what is d, what is dx and what is dy. Here d is equal to determinant of a1, b1, a2, b2. Here determinant of a1, b1, a2, a1, a2, b1, b2 equal to a1 into b2 minus a2 into b1. That is equals a1 b2 minus a2 b1. That means in D, to find D, here the column of the constant C1 C2 is omitted. The column of C1, C2 is omitted. Here only A1, A2 and B1, B2. Second one, how to find dx and dy. And dx is determinant of C1, C2, determinant of C1, C2 and B1, B2. Here A1, C1, C2, B1, B2 equal to C1 into B2 minus, here I am writing here, C1 into B2 minus C2 into B1. That is equal C1 B2 minus C2 B1. Therefore, how to find in dx? In dx, the column of coefficient of x, that is a1 a2, coefficient of x a1 a2 is replaced by the constant c1 c2, that is c1 c2. And dy equal to determinant of a1 a2 and c1 c2. That is a1 into c2 minus a2 into c1. That is a1 c2 minus a2 c1. That means in dy, the column of coefficients of y is replaced, coefficient of y, that is b1 b2, coefficient of y, that is b1 b2 is replaced by the constant c1 c2. Please take page number 13. Everything is explained in page number 13. You have to revise that page number 13 and example sums also. Now I am moving to your practice in 1.3. First question is activity sum. You have to fill all the boxes. Determinant of 3, 2, 4, 5. That means 3 into 5 minus 2 into 4. 3 5s are 15 and 4 2s are 8. 15 minus 8 equals 7. And second question, here 3 sums are there. One sum only I am doing. Other 2 sums you have to do that one in your notebook. And the question number 3, second section. Question 3, determinant of 7 upon 3, 5 upon 3 and 3 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. Here the question, find the determinant of 7 upon 3, 5 upon 3 and 3 upon 2, 1 upon 2. Determinant is a cross multiplication. 7 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 2 minus 5 upon 3 into 3 upon 2. 7 ones are 7. 7 upon 6 minus 5 3s are 15. 15 upon 6. Denominator is same. Therefore you have to subtract. Easily to subtract. 6 is the denominator, common denominator. And 7 minus 15 upon 6. 7 minus 15 is a negative 8 upon 6. 2 is going to this number. 2 4s are 8 and 2 3s are 6. Negative 4 upon 3. Section 3. Solve the following simultaneous equation using Cramer's rule. First question, 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. And second one, 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. First you have to write this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Therefore for equation 1, a1 equal to 3 and b1 equal to negative 4, c1 equal to 10. For equation 2, a2 equal to 4 and b2 is 3, c2 equal 5. Then to find the value of the variable to simultaneous equation, x equal to dx upon d and y equals dy upon d. First we have to find what is d, what is dx and what is dy. D equal to determinant of a1, b1, a2, b2. That is equals a1 is 3, b1 negative 4 and a2 is 4, b2 is 3. Answer is equals 3 into 3 minus 4 into negative 4. 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are minus 16, that is 9 plus minus into minus is plus, 9 plus 16 is 25. This is D is equal to 25. Next to find what is dx. Dx is equal to determinant of c1 c2 and b1 b2. Determinant of c1 c2 means 10 and 5. b1 b2 is negative 4 and 3. That is 10 into 3 minus 5 into negative 4. Therefore 10 3s are 30 minus 5 into 4 is equal to minus into minus is plus, 5 4s are 20 is 50. Dx is 50. And next dy. Dy equals determinant of a1 a2 and c1 c2. That is determinant of a1 is 3, a2 is 4, c1 is 10, c2 is 5. 3 into 5 minus 10 into 4. 3 5s are 15 minus 10 4s are 40. 15 minus 40 is 25, negative 25. And by Cramer's rule, x equal to dx upon d. That is dx is equal to 50 upon d is equal to 25. Therefore 25 and 2 is equal to 25, 2 times goes to 50. X is equal to 2 and y equal to dy upon d. Dy is equal to negative 25 upon d is equal to 25. Therefore this answer 25 is negative 1. Therefore the solutions of the equation is solution xy equal to x is the value 2, y is the value negative 1. 2 and negative 1. With the question 2, 4x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 6x is equal to 8 minus 5y. Writing the equations in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. Therefore the equation is 4x plus 3y minus 4 is going to the opposite side. The sign is 4. Equation 1. And this also you have to write x plus by is equal to c. 6x minus 5y is write as plus 5y is equal to a. This is equation 2. Same method for equation 1. a1 equal to 4, b1 equal to 3, c1 equal to 4. For equation 2, a2 equal to 6, b2 equal to 5. and C2 is equal to 8. For the Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d and y equal to dy upon d. Then first to find what is d. D is equal to determinant of a1, a2 and b1, b2. That is determinant of 4, 6 and 3, 5. 4 into 5 minus 3 into 6. 4 5s are 20, 3 6 are 18, value is 2. And next, what is dx is equal to determinant of c1 c2 and b1 b2. Determinant of c1 c2 is 4 8 and b1 b2 is 3 5. 4 5s are 4 into 5 minus 3 into 8. 20 minus 24 is negative 4. And next one, dy equal to determinant of a1, a2 and c1, c2. That is equal to determinant of 4, 6 and 4, 8 is equal to 4 into 8 minus 4 into 6. 4 8s are 32 minus 4 6 are 24 is 8. And by Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d equal dx is equal to negative 4 upon is 2 is equal to negative 2 and dy equal to y equal to dy upon d. Dy is 8 upon d is equal to 2 is 4. The four solutions of equation is solution xy is equal to negative 2 and y equal to 4. Last question, question number 6. 2x plus 3y is equal to 2 and x minus y upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. First equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Here a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to 2 and a2 equal to 1, b2 is equal to coefficient, the y upon 2 means coefficients of y is negative 1 upon 2 and c2 is equal to 1 upon 2. For the Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d and y equal to dy upon d. D equal to determinant of a1 a2 b1 b2 is equal determinant of a1 is 2, a2 is 1, b1 is 3 and b2 is negative 1 upon 2. This will come 2 into negative 1 upon 2 minus 3 into 1. 2 and 2 numerator and denominator is cancelled. So negative 1, negative 3. There is negative 4. and dx is equal to determinant of c1 c2 b1 b2. Determinant of c1 c2 means c1 is 2, c2 is 1 upon 2, and b1 is 3, and b2 is negative 1 upon 2. 2 into negative 1 upon 2 minus 3 into 1 upon 2. Here not need to cancel. If you want to cancel means you have to cancel. Otherwise 2 into 1 is minus 2 upon 2. Minus 3 ones are 3. 3 upon 2. Denominator is same. Therefore minus 2 minus 3 upon 2. Therefore minus 5 upon 2. And next dy is equal to determinant of a1 a2 c1 c2 is equal to determinant of 2 1 and c1 c2 is 2 1 upon 2 is equals 2 into 1 upon 2 1 upon 2 minus 2 into 1. 2 and 2 cancel. Therefore 1 minus 2 is negative 1. Dx is equal to minus 5 upon 2. D is equal to negative 4. And dy is equal to negative 1. By Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d, that is dx is equal to negative 5 upon 2 minus d equal to negative 4. Therefore this 2 and negative 4 write together, minus 5 upon 2 into negative 4. Negative and negative is positive, therefore 5 upon 8. Negative and negative is positive, therefore 5 upon 8. 4 2s are 8. Next y is equal to dy upon d. Dy is equal to negative 1 upon d equal to negative 4. Negative and negative is cancelled, therefore 1 upon 4. Therefore solution of the equation xy is equal to 5 upon 8 and y 1 upon 4. Home assignment, section 2 question 1 and 2, section 3 question 3, 4 and 5. Practice in your notebook. Thank you.